Hi, I'm Darina. I'm the co-founder and chief experience officer at Ooni. It's pretty obvious that we love making pizza. At Ooni, we make and eat pizza most days of the week, but no matter how practiced you are at making, stretching and topping your pizza dough, there are times when it just doesn't work out. Maybe you've started topping your pizza and suddenly you realise there's a hole in the base. Or you've overstretched your dough and it ends up way too thin and splits where you layer up your toppings. Either way, your pizza can still be salvaged. Enter the Recovery Calzone. This is a handy trick when you don't want your problem pizza to become a total fail. So what we're working with today is some intentionally very dodgy dough. It's actually easy to make dodgy dough if you let it dry out in the elements for a bit too long, and it means it's much less pliable and it cracks more easily, hence the tears. Your dough will still work as a calzone so long as any holes are on the top. You cannot launch your calzone with holes on the bottom or it'll stick to the stone in your oven. So simply fold one side of your top pizza base onto the other side like closing a book and pinch together the edges of the dough so it's sealed shut. Next, launch a calzone into your oven, just like you would with a regular pizza. You can keep your uni at the same temperature as you normally would. Just be conscious that the filling may take a little longer to fully cook, and you should turn your calzone so it cooks evenly on all sides. We pull this trick all the time and our party guests are none the wiser. So remember, failure can be fun. Good luck.